All right, we're back at this Troy-Bilt mower. It's a Bronco Auto 42-inch deck. Pretty sure it's 42-inch. But if you're coming over from the short, thanks. If not, click the link above, go back and view the short on why we're here. Basically, we lost steering. And the cause is this little nut bushing type thing here. I believe it's listed as like a 5/8 bushing. And it's got a hex head, but if you look closely, it's worn out up in that area. Let's try and get that focused. See how thin that side of the hex is compared to how thick that is? Just that little bit will cause the steering to just slip. So the first thing you gotta do is get the mower up on some type of ramp, jack stands, and the easiest thing to do is just drop the deck. Drop that one little hinge right there down and jack it up. Now you're gonna come up and we'll look and see in here, show you what we're looking at. Follow the steering shaft down right into there. You see where it's shiny. And let's see if we can get a better view on that. And you see where it slipped, and we didn't let it go long. It only slipped one time. So if you follow that down onto, where is it? That section right there, there's a Phillips head screw, and it's a PH4 screw. It is impossible to get out with a screwdriver. We had large screwdriver tips, everything, an impact screwdriver. Best thing to do is just get a pair of vice grips or channel locks, take about 10 minutes and wrench it out, and it came out. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and take out the steering wheel nut in there, pull that off, and then you'll be able to just pull this shaft up and out. That's up and out, and if you see there, it reveals that hex hole there. Right in there. And that's where that bushing sits. So we're gonna get the bushing set down in there and see what happens. All right, the new bushing just sits right down in there very easily. Make sure you straighten your front wheels out again so your steering wheel's not all crooked. We're gonna go ahead and just drop the rod back down in there. And it should slide down fairly easily. And now we're lined up and meshed. And we're gonna take this screw and we are going to screw it back in down below. All right, we went ahead and tightened up that Phillips head nut down there. Let's see, right there. Tighten it up real nice and tight. And now if you see, we have full steering again. And we'll zoom out to show you. So some other things gotta be tightened up, but we got steering back. Next thing you're gonna do is just pop the deck up, and you're gonna wanna lower it down, back it off, straighten the wheels out, and go ahead and tighten everything up. All right, we took it for a quick spin and tested it. Everything is working. Steering wheel straight. And as you can see, it turns. Everything just fine. That little tiny part right there will shut your entire mower down and you'll have no steering. So don't know if it works for any other mowers, but it should be the same style or type of bushing down there for most of these gear pinion drive steering systems. If you let it go too far, it might strip out that gear. We caught it in time. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.